First, proceed to the Cadian outpost and establish their fate. You must then infiltrate the refinery and complete demolition's deployment. Trigger detonation only when the main swarm has entered the blast zone. Captain Akaram will coordinate our efforts over Vox. Deployed and ready.
Smells like fresh munitions. Magazine out! Magazine in! Brilliant to go!
first waypoint ahead. Let us enter the camp. Reporting in. Teams arrived at the Imperial Guard encampment. Talassa, you need to acquire the Astra Militarum demolition codes required to deploy and arm their ordnance. Source one from any soldier you see, alive or otherwise. Sweep complete, but nothing here. Demolition codes are secured. Proceed to the Prometheum refinery and complete the demolition preparations.
Good to go. Route unblocked.
Sow the enemy's defeat, brothers. Magazine out! Magazine in! One down! Brilliant to go!
arriving at the objective now.
You are making good time. We are going to get to it.
Replenish them! I see a gun piece! Is there another we can kill? No! Do not get turned around!
Let us finish what the Cadians started.
Use the codes to prime the bomb and finish its deployment into the crypt beneath your well. Cautiously, if you know what is good for you.
I shall be claiming this.
Deployment has begun.
Rites of activation have been observed. Generators handling the machine code's name. Crane sequencing initialized. Delivering payload.
That was too easy.
We must intercept a generator too.
Disruption of operation in Generator 2. Bring it into the Omnissiah's proper alignment.
Replenish that ready. Fill your packs, brothers.
X-axis aligned by the Omnissiah's will. Attention.
The first leg of this race is
drive
behind
is
us.
jammed. Perform the necessary cleansing to resume operation.
Back on track.
Drive train restored. Begin the course of locomotion adepts.
Overwatch needed on Generator 1.
Biological incursion on Generator 1. Do not foul the machine god's blessed mechanisms with organic parts.
Reloading.
We need to get the Tyranids off that generator, brothers.
Magazine out! Magazine in! Equal for hell! They will need! One down! Trillions to go! Never turn down fresh ammo.
Let us keep that swarm from ever reaching Generator 4.
Y-axis aligned. Margin of error 0.0 nanometers. Blessed be the Omnissiah's divine warning.
Progress is progress, brothers. We are almost there.
4 in progress. Punish the ignorant iconoclasts.
Magazine out! Magazine in!
Rally, brothers! We can retake that generator with
has seen us, master!
Demolition deployment sequence corrupted. Metal aerosol currently on the Science Forge for Oculus.
We are ready to ambush the enemy, Captain. There is an observation platform overlooking the Prometheum fields. It will make a good vantage for your ambush.
Swapping out magazine! Kill that damn Neurothrope! Smells like fresh munitions. Good to go.
Facility. Run distraction efforts as long as you can. On my honor, I will ensure your mission is a success.
I will...
SPECs cannot even compute their numbers.
No turning back now!
Swarm sighted. We await your signal, Captain.
Dig in. We need that bomb triggered for optimal yield. Orbital scan estimates the bulk of the swarm will not be in position for a while yet. Keep your heads and get it done.
I see them coming, brothers. Plenty for everyone. I have the Prometheum ready.
Its head split like overripe fruit.
Burning the Tyranids.
The bulk of the swarm is continuing along the predicted path. Continue holding.
Console's alive! I offer my service! We must shore up our perimeter!
Halfway there, brothers. Keep it up.
Entering engagement range.
Glad to have that cyborg's buzzing out of my ears.
Is almost fully committed. Be ready for my mark.
Excellent work. Move to extract.
Thunderhawk arriving at evac point. Wrap down and ready.
We can make it! Keep going!